know what you mean. Well, by God, Paul isn't going. Paul, look at this, man. Look, I told you to keep your damn dog in the backyard and feed it where he can shit in the backyard. Damn, he's done shit in here. Now you got the damn paper and all, and that's cool and all, but remember what I told you you're going to have to do is next damn time the dog shit in my house, even if it's on a paper. You remember what I told you you're going to have to do, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Well, why don't you get down and do it? Because I'm sick and damn tired of waiting on it now. That's
I have to?
Yes, you have to. Now, be a big man about it. It's your dog. You got to take responsibility of the dog. Well, this will teach you a lesson, because the fact is you cannot have the dog in the back. No. Let me see so I can show your mama that you learned a lesson by this. Eat the dog poop, Paulie. Take a big bite. It's your puppy. You feed him good food. It should be clean. It should be recycled. Don't worry about getting no kind of damn disease because the dog has had its shots. And this now, next time, feed it on the porch. That's right. Take a big. Oh no, I know it's bad. My dad used to feed me down cow shit, but the fact is, I learned a lesson. I don't keep the cow in the house anymore. Okay? Don't cry. It'll make you tough. What don't kill you will make you tough. Okay? Hey, remember Alpo, vitamins. It'll be cool. There, take a big bite, Paulie. It's cool. Ain't nothing wrong.
Shit.
I know. Oh shit, he threw the dog shit. That's it. No more Mr. Nice Guy. No more.